In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post in the chess.com forums and club forums. If you've been wanting to join the conversation on chess.com, this guide will walk you through the exact flow, from finding the right place to post to sharing your thoughts clearly and responsibly. We'll start with the main forums. From the chess.com homepage, move your cursor to the social menu at the top. When the dropdown appears, click on Forums to open the Forum Hub. This is where discussions across the site are organized. Next, look for the New Topic button. Clicking that will open a page where you can set up your post. Before you start typing, choose a category that matches your topic. General chess discussion is a good fit for broad questions, game analysis, or news, while other categories can narrow your audience to specific interests. Picking the right category helps your post reach the people most likely to respond. Now write your post. Start with a clear descriptive title that tells readers what they'll find inside. In the body, explain your idea or question in complete sentences and give enough context so others can follow along without guesswork. If you share links, make sure they're relevant and trustworthy, and keep everything within chess.com's community guidelines. That means staying respectful, avoiding spam, and keeping content appropriate and on topic. Short paragraphs and straightforward language make your post easier to read, and a concise summary or specific question at the end often invites better responses. When you're happy with it, click Post. That publishes your topic to the category you chose, where other members can see and reply. If you need to adjust something later, you can return to your post to make edits, as allowed by the site's rules. If you want to post inside a specific club instead of the public forums, go to your club's page. There, click Forum, then click New Topic. The setup is similar. Add a clear title, write your message, and post it. Club forums are ideal for team events, internal announcements, or discussions meant for members only. One last note. If your account is brand new, some forum features might be locked at first. Chess.com may require you to play a few games or leave some comments before you get full forum access. That's normal, and it helps keep discussions healthy. Once those basics are complete, you'll have the full set of posting options. And that's it. Follow these steps, choose the right spot, write clearly, and you'll be ready to join the conversation on chess.com.